Today we are going to show you how to make this beautiful triangle animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video to the end. Let's begin the topic. Let me go to home. Let me insert this kind of slide from here. Go to insert. Let me take our triangle from here and drag it over here like this. Now this is perfect and place it here. Go to fill, let me make it no fill, go to insert, go to shape, let me select a desired shape from here and drag it here like this, and also from here like this. Click on yellow dot and make it this kind, and from here and just like this, and from here make it this kind. Now let me make it duplicate and place it here. Let me adjust from here like this, make it again duplicate and place it here. Let me make it this kind also, and select this one. Let me make it this kind, and select this one again, make it duplicate and place it here, and make it more sharper from here, and adjust from here like this, and from here make this kind, and let me make it this kind. Now this is perfect and amazing. Click on this one a little bit, make this kind, and from here adjust like this. Now let me a little bit adjust from here, and from here let me make it this kind, and also from here let me make it this kind. Now let me click here on triangle and place it here. I do not need this triangle. Remove from here. Let me go to insert tab, go to shape. Let me select a parallelogram shape from here and drag it over here like this, and click on yellow dots and make it this kind, and from here let me make it this kind, and from here make it more like this. Go to shape outline, make it no outline, and make it duplicate, place it here like this, and from here adjust like this, and also from here make it this kind. Let me place it here. Now this is perfect, and make it again duplicate, place it here like this, and from here adjust like this. Now this is perfect. Now select this one, let me change the color of each one from here. Let me select this color and go to color, this one. Let me select other color from here according to your choice. Let me select another color from here, and also change the color of this parallelogram shape from here. Let me select the shape from here, go to more color, let me select standard, and let me select a color from here like this, and select this one. Let me go to more color, let me select this color from here, and select this one. Let me go to more color, let me go to standard, let me select a color from here like this, go to custom and make it like this. Now this is perfect. Now let me add some text from here. Go to insert, go to shape, take a text box and drag it over here like this. Let me write here 01. Select the text from here, go to font and change the font into elephant, and increase a little bit size from here, and let me make it this kind. Now place it here. Now select the text, go to shape format and make it white color. Go to insert, go to shape, take a line shape from here. Let me drag it here and go to shape outline, make it white, go to shape outline again, go to weight, increase the weight from here like these. Now select this one and place it here like this, and select line and place it here, and select this shape, and just from here make it duplicates from here, and place it here. Let me write here true, and let me select the text from here and go to home. Now select this line from here, make it duplicate and place it here like this. Now this one is also perfect, and select this one, make it duplicate and place it here. Let me write here 3, and select the text from here, go to font size and make it smaller, make it duplicate and place it here like this. Now select this one and make it a little bit decrease from here. Let me select the text box, make it duplicate and place it here. Now let me make it step 4 from here, go to insert, go to shape, take a text box and drag it over here like this. Let me write here lorem, make it one paragraph and make it this kind, and stick all of these text from here, remove from here and place it here like this. Make it duplicate and place it here like this. Select all text from here, go to font size and change the font size like this. Make it again duplicate and place it here like this, and make it this kind. Select the text from here, let me decrease the font size from here and place it here, and let me select this text from here, remove from here and place it here like this. A little bit adjust from here and place it here. Now let me add some animation from here. Select this shape, hold down the control key, select this one and this one. Let me go to animation, open the animation pane from here, make it fly in. Now let me select this text from here, this shape from here, this one, and select the line and this text from here, shape. Now make it white. Now this is perfect and amazing. Set the duration, you delete 50, and let me select this shape from here, hold on the control key, this one and this one. Let me go to effect motion and make it bounce from here. Now this is perfect. Now let me again click here, go to effect motion, go to timing, go to duration, make it 2 second value. Now this is perfect. Now let me go to watch the slideshow. This is perfect. This is also perfect. Now if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more presentation and skill. Thank you.